My dear friends, tonight, I want to speak directly to your heart, not as a YouTuber, not as a health coach, but like someone sitting beside you, someone who wants you to finally experience what you truly deserve, a peaceful, deep, healing sleep, because after 60, sleep is no longer just sleep. It becomes medicine. It becomes protection. It becomes strength. It becomes the quiet doctor that visits your body at night and repairs what the day has broken. But many seniors struggle. You lie awake, turning, staring at the ceiling, hoping sleep will arrive, yet it slips away like a shadow. Tonight, I will give you something simple, something natural, something warm, something loved by older adults around the world. A drink, a gentle drink before bed that whispers to your body, it's time to relax, it's time to heal, it's time to sleep. But before I tell you what the drink is, I want to take you on a small journey, a journey inside your own story. Because sleep is not only about the body, it is about the mind, the memories, the heart, and the years you have lived. So take a breath, sit comfortably, and let me guide you. Chapter 1, The Truth About Sleep After 60. After 60, sleep changes. It becomes lighter, shorter, more fragile. A noise can wake you. A worry can keep you awake. A memory can pull you back into the past. You may wake up tired and wonder, why is my body slowing down? Why do I feel drained? Why can't I sleep like before? My friend, it's not your fault. Your brain chemistry changes. Your hormones shift. Your stress levels rise. Your body's healing slows. And yet, most seniors blame themselves. But hear me clearly, your body is not failing you. It is asking you for help. Gentle help. Natural help. Daily help. And that's what this nighttime drink provides. But first, we need to understand the enemy of sleep. Chapter 2. The real enemies of deep sleep. There are 3 silent enemies that disturb sleep after 60. Worries. Small worries become loud at night. Bills, health, family, loneliness. Thoughts get heavier in the quiet of the dark. Inflammation, itching knees, back pain, shoulder stiffness. These pains wake you from sleep over and over. Nighttime overthinking worries are powerful at this age. You remember the past clearer than the present. Good memories give peace. Painful memories steal sleep. So the drink I will give you must do 3 things. Calm the mind, ease inflammation, relax the nervous system, and yes, it does all 3. But before we get to the drink, I want to share something important. Chapter 3, a story you may recognize. Imagine this. A woman named Amina, 68 years old, a kind grandmother, strong, loving, wise. But for the last 10 years, she slept like a bird. Waking every hour, she tried tablets, herbal capsules, doctor's advice. Nothing worked. One day her grandson said, "Grandma, drink this before bed. It helps me feel calm." It was a warm, simple drink, natural, gentle. So she tried it. That night, for the first time in years, her muscles relaxed, her breathing softened, her mind quieted. She woke up after 6 hours, uninterrupted. She felt alive again, refreshed, recharged, hopeful. She told me, "I didn't know my age could feel this peaceful." My friend, that could be your story to. And now, it's time to share that drink. Take a breath. Because it's not fancy. It's not expensive. It's not complicated. It is something your body already understands. The drink, the Golden Sleep Tonic. The drink is simple. Warm turmeric milk with honey and cinnamon. My version is especially designed for seniors over 60. Because it helps reduce inflammation, calm the nervous system, relax stiff muscles, balance blood sugar, warm the digestive system, trigger melatonin, sleep hormone, slow the mind, lower nighttime anxiety. This drink has been used for centuries. Grandmothers, villagers, elders. It was the natural sleeping pill long before pills existed. But don't worry, I'll tell you the full recipe in part to. First, let me prepare your mind and heart. Because good sleep begins hours before the drink touches your lips. Chapter 4. Why this drink works so deeply. 1. Turmeric, the healer of the body. Turmeric reduces inflammation in the joints, knees, and back. When pain reduces, sleep deepens. Your body stops waking you up to complain. 2. Warm milk, the natural sedative. Warm milk increases tryptophan, which turns into serotonin, which becomes melatonin, the hormone your body uses to fall asleep naturally. 3. Cinnamon, the nighttime balancer. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar at night. This stops sudden nighttime awakening. 4. Honey, the gentle brain relaxer. Honey gives the brain a small dose of natural sugar that signals safety and comfort. Your brain stops overthinking and your heart rate slows. This is why it works. It's not magic. It's biology. It's ancient wisdom combined with science. Chapter 5. The transformation you deserve. Imagine your night like this. You drink this warm, golden cup. It enters your stomach gently. The warmth spreads through your body. Your shoulders soften. Your back loosens. Your breathing becomes deep. Your mind quiets. Your stress dissolves. You feel light, safe, comforted, ready to sleep, not fight sleep. You lie down. Close your eyes. Your thoughts slow down like clouds drifting away. Your joints stop aching. Your heart beats calmly, and sleep arrives, naturally, peacefully and deeply. This is what you deserve every night after 60. Not restless tossing, not staring at the ceiling, not waking every hour, but healing sleep, restorative sleep, the kind of sleep that adds years to your life and life to your years. Chapter 6. Letting go of nighttime fears. Many seniors silently fear the night, the quiet, the darkness, the memories, the loneliness, the thoughts. But tonight, you are not alone. You have this guidance. You have this drink. You have this routine. You have this moment of care. And more importantly, you have yourself, your strength, your wisdom, your courage to change, your desire for peace. Let this night be the beginning of a new relationship with sleep. Chapter 7. Your night routine before the drink. To make this sleep drink truly powerful, follow this. Step 1. Turn off bright lights. Dim lighting tells your brain it's time to sleep. Step 2. Sit in silence for 2 minutes. Feel your breathing, slow, gentle. Step 3. Let your shoulders drop. Relax the body before relaxing the mind. Step 4. Prepare the drink slowly. Make it a ritual, a moment of self-care. Step 5. Sip it warm, not hot. Let it comfort you. Chapter 8. The heart of the message. Me, dear friend, you are not too old to sleep deeply. You are not too old to feel refreshed. You are not too old to rebuild your strength. You are not too old to enjoy peaceful nights. Your age does not decrease your worth. It increases your wisdom, your experience, your value. This drink is not just for sleep. It is a symbol, a reminder that you deserve gentleness. You deserve rest. You deserve care. You deserve peace. You have lived many years for others, family, children, work, responsibilities. But this moment, this night, this cup is for you. Chapter 9. My dear friend, thank you for staying with me. Now, let me give you the full recipe exactly in the way that helps seniors the most. The Golden Sleep Tonic Warm Turmeric Milk. Ingredients: 1 cup warm milk, cow's milk or almond milk. Both work beautifully. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon honey. A pinch of black pepper. Don't worry, you won't taste it, but it activates turmeric. How to prepare step by step. Warm the milk. Do not boil it. Just warm enough to drink comfortably. Add the turmeric. Stir slowly. Watch the golden color appear. Let this moment calm you. Add the cinnamon. Cinnamon helps your blood sugar stay calm through the night. Add the pinch of black pepper. This makes turmeric 1000% more powerful. Let it sit for 1 minute. This allows the flavors to blend. Add the honey last. Honey loses nutrients in very hot milk. Add it only when the milk becomes warm, not hot. Sip slowly. Feel the warmth travel into your chest, then your arms, your back, your legs, and finally your mind. Chapter 1. OWH. Why this drink transforms sleep for seniors over 60. This drink supports your body in 5 unique ways. 1. Reduces inflammation. Your joints relax. Back pain eases. This allows deeper sleep. 2. Calms the brain. Warm milk and honey gently slow nighttime thinking. 3. Melatonin booster. Tryptophan gives serotonin. Gives melatonin. This chain improves sleep naturally. 4. Lowers nighttime stress. Cinnamon stabilizes your heart rate. 5. Warms the digestive system. A warm stomach equals a relaxed nervous system. A relaxed nervous system equals deeper sleep. This is why it works so beautifully for seniors. Chapter 1. A nighttime story to relax your heart before you drink your warm cup tonight. Let me tell you a little story, one that so many older adults have shared with me. Is the story of Mr. David, a 72-year-old retired school teacher. For years, he felt tired even after sleeping 8 hours. His mind raced at night. His knees hurt. He felt frustrated, old, weak. One day, his neighbor said, "Try a simple thing, a warm cup before sleep." He laughed at first. How can something so small help someone my age? But he tried it. That night, when he finished his cup, something felt different. His chest felt lighter. His hands stopped trembling. His thoughts slowed. He slept 6 hours straight, then 7, Then 8 weeks later, he told me, sometimes the smallest habits bring the biggest change. My dear friend, you are not too old to change your nights. You are not too old to heal. You are not too old to feel peace. You are just one habit away from sleeping like you did years ago. Chapter 1 to 3 More sleep drinks for seniors. She promised you more. So here they are. Gentle, natural, safe for adults over 60. Sleep drink number 2. Warm chamomile plus honey. Chamomile is nature's stress relief flower. Relaxes the brain, reduces anxiety, slows the heart rate, helps you fall asleep faster. Steep 1 tea bag in hot water for 5 minutes. Sleep drink number 3. Banana peel teas. Really? Banana peel contains natural magnesium plus potassium, loosens tight muscles, reduces leg cramps, eases restless legs, improves deep sleep. Boil a washed banana peel for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Sleep drink number 4. Warm lemon water with honey. This is good for people who feel heavy at night. Cleans digestion, calms the mind, helps with bloating, supports night breathing. Add 1 teaspoon honey for brain relaxation. Chapter 13. Your new night routine, step by step. If you truly want deep sleep after 60, repeat this every night. 1. Dim the lights. Your brain produces melatonin in darkness. 2. Sit quietly for 2 minutes. Place your hands on your lap. Feel your breath. 3. Drink the sleep tonic slowly. This is your moment, your peace, your care. 4. Gratitude moment. 20 seconds. Say quietly in your heart, I am safe. I am calm. I deserve rest. 5. Lie down on your side. This position helps seniors breathe better. 6. Relax your face muscles. Drop your jaw. Soften your eyes. Let your forehead loosen. 7. Slow breathing for 6. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. This switches off stress and switches on sleep. Keep doing it gently, softly, until your body feels heavy. Chapter 1 for night affirmations for seniors. Say these in your heart, softly, slowly. Let every word touch your mind. My body is ready to rest. My mind is becoming quiet. I am letting go of. Today, I am safe. I deserve healing sleep. My heart is calm. I release all tension. I welcome peaceful dreams. I choose rest. Tonight, I heal. Feel how your breath slows. Chapter 15. The 7-minute deep sleep guided narration. Relax. Close your eyes. Let me guide you like a gentle companion. Minute 1. Setting the mood. You are safe. You are calm. The day is ending. Your body understands this. Your mind understands this. You can let go now. Minute 2. Releasing the body. Relax your toes. Relax your calves. Relax your knees. Relax your thighs. Let your legs become heavy, sinking into the bed. Minute 3. Releasing the upper body. Relax your stomach, your chest, your shoulders. Let your arms sink. Release your hands. Relax your fingers. Minute 4. Softening the face. Unclench your jaw. Soften your lips. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Let your eyelids become heavy. Minute 5. Deep breathing. Breathe in. Slowly. Hold. Now exhale longer than you inhaled. Again. Feel your heartbeat slowing. Feel your mind quieting. Minute 6. Mind drifting. Imagine a warm light around your body. A soft golden glow. Wrapping you in calmness. Protecting you. Comforting you. Holding you. Minute 7. Entering deep sleep. Your body is ready for rest. Your mind is floating. Your heart is peaceful. You are drifting deeper and deeper into calm, into silence, into healing. Sleep, deep sleep, restful sleep, peaceful sleep. You deserve this. You have earned this. Your body thanks you. Your mind thanks you. Your heart thanks you. Tonight, you sleep deeply. You heal deeply. You rest beautifully. Chapter 16. Final message. To me friend. Sleep is not a luxury after 60. It is medicine. It is therapy. It is your powerhouse. This drink, this routine, these words are here to guide you back to the sleep your body has been missing. Remember, you are not weak. You are not too old. You are not broken. You are simply entering a new chapter. A chapter where you treat yourself with care, with gentleness, with love, with patience. Tonight, let this drink be your companion. Let this routine be your comfort. Let sleep carry you into peace. You deserve rest. You deserve healing. You deserve nights that feel like home.